Okay, so we're also going to change the power supply. So what we're going to do is just disconnect everything here. Again, I'm just going to use my fingernail, just pull that tab back a little bit, pull this connector up, pull out our photo detector, our photo emitter. Here's your fan, here's your power connector here, and then you got this USB right here, which is a little tough, so I'm going to use a little slotted screwdriver to help me bend that tab back, and then I'm going to pull straight up, and now everything is disconnected. And we're going to take out the 4 screws that hold the power supply in. And now I'm going to slide my power supply out. Still have some of the connectors are still wrapped in here. And so now our power supply is out as well. Okay. And this is what we're left with. So this is your bare bones chassis here. And now I'm going to program and get a power supply ready, and we're going to put a new power supply in this.
All right, you want me to